Mastering quality reporting systems. Organizations obsess over irrelevant metrics, oblivious to the real quality drivers. When organizations strive to achieve operational excellence in their quality reporting systems, what specific quality metrics do they utilize to evaluate the effectiveness of employee training programs, and how do they subsequently leverage these metrics to drive meaningful improvement and enhance overall performance? Organizations aiming to achieve operational excellence in their quality reporting systems employ a range of quality metrics to assess the efficacy of employee training programs. These metrics provide valuable insights into the training program's impact on employee performance, enabling organizations to identify areas for improvement and optimize their training strategies. One key metric used to evaluate employee training programs is the Training Effectiveness Evaluation, TEE. This metric assesses the extent to which training programs have improved employees' knowledge, skills, and attitudes related to quality management. Organizations typically measure TEE through surveys, quizzes, or assessments administered before and after training, comparing the results to determine the level of improvement. By tracking TEE, organizations can refine their training programs to better address knowledge gaps and enhance employee competence. Another essential metric is the Error Rate Reduction (ERR) metric, which measures the decrease in errors or defects following employee training. By monitoring ERR, organizations can determine whether their training programs are effectively reducing mistakes and improving overall quality. This metric is often calculated by comparing error rates before and after training, allowing organizations to adjust their training strategies to target specific areas of improvement. The Return on Investment (ROI) metric is also crucial in evaluating the effectiveness of employee training programs. ROI measures the financial return generated by the training program, compared to its cost. By calculating ROI, organizations can determine whether their training investments are yielding the desired returns in terms of improved quality, increased productivity, or enhanced customer satisfaction. This metric enables organizations to prioritize their training initiatives, focusing on those that generate the greatest returns. Organizations also utilize the Employee Knowledge Retention (EKR) metric to assess the long-term impact of their training programs. EKR measures the percentage of employees who retain and apply the knowledge and skills acquired through training over a specified period. By tracking EKR, organizations can identify areas where employees may require additional support or refresher training to reinforce their learning. To drive meaningful improvement and enhance overall performance, organizations leverage these quality metrics in several ways. Firstly, they use the metrics to identify knowledge gaps and areas for improvement, adjusting their training programs to address these weaknesses. For instance, if the TEE metric indicates that employees are struggling with a particular aspect of quality management, the organization can modify their training program to provide additional instruction or support in that area. Secondly, organizations use the metrics to recognize and reward high-performing employees, fostering a culture of excellence and encouraging continuous improvement. By acknowledging employees who demonstrate exceptional knowledge and skills, organizations motivate others to strive for similar achievements, promoting a culture of quality and operational excellence. Thirdly, organizations employ the metrics to inform their overall quality strategy, ensuring that their training programs align with broader business objectives. By analyzing the metrics, organizations can identify areas where training can have the greatest impact on quality, customer satisfaction, or business performance, allowing them to prioritize their training initiatives and allocate resources more effectively. Finally, organizations leverage the metrics to drive process improvements and optimize their quality management systems. By analyzing the metrics, organizations can identify inefficiencies or bottlenecks in their quality processes, implementing changes to reduce errors, enhance efficiency, or improve overall performance. In conclusion, organizations striving for operational excellence in their quality reporting systems utilize a range of quality metrics to evaluate the effectiveness of their employee training programs. By leveraging these metrics, organizations can drive meaningful improvement, enhance overall performance, and achieve their quality objectives.